Got Ben and Tara now. Oh shit, right in the neck. Nice one, Ben. Good thing you didn't put more meat behind it.
Keep going.
Oh. That Jamie and Luke in the background.
I think I'm done for today. No, I'm not done.
There's some nice moves.
I don't know anything about racing. I only know one topic.
All good, man. Wait, actually. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, watch the legs.
Do you want to do? I was going to do it.
I always like to take it. Yeah, thank you, Dad, when I love you.
Switch it. No, you're good, Frederick. Oh, it looks like a double. Nice.
Jesus. Everything's shit.
Yeah. Oh, shit, yeah, that was nice. What do you got, a cotton squire cap?
What's that?
You got a cotton squire cap?
Yeah, well, I used to have really long hair, but it's thinned out.
Oh, yeah. I know the feeling. I know the feeling. Oh, watch the legs, Ben.
Two more? Sure.
Oh, shit. Nice. Ooh, I remember that trick. Watch the camera. Yeah. Oh, right in the face. Oh, shit, yeah. Nice. Very well done.